Hello and welcome to another episode of Lou's Reviews. I have more snacks from my friends in Canada, Debbie and Belinda. Thank you very much for the care package. First off tonight we have the Old Dutch crispy bacon chips. I've been looking forward to cracking this bad boy open, so let's see what we got here. They're good. I'd say it's more barbecue than bacon though. Really not much bacon flavor. Really tastes more just like barbecue. So they're decent chips, but a little disappointing. Next up tonight we have the coffee crisp bar. Also very interested in that one. Gotta cleanse the palate here first.
Please show them your mug. Flip it around.
My wife laughed at this for some reason. I have no idea why.
His Country Bear Jamboree jug.
Alright, so let's see what this coffee crisp is all about.
Please show the camera what the center looks like. I'm gonna zoom. Zoom.
It's pretty good. It definitely has a decent coffee flavor to it. As far as the wafer goes, probably very similar to a wafer cookie. Not like not often in a candy bar type thing though, but it's very good. That's something I would definitely get again if I saw it, if I was visiting. So that's all for tonight. We'll probably be back again tomorrow to try to finish off the box.